Feeling down? Need a quick energy boost? A simple banana can skyrocket your mood and fuel your workout. Packed with potassium, bananas improve digestion and help regulate blood sugar levels. Discover how this everyday fruit supports weight management and long-term health. Don't miss out. Grab a banana and experience its amazing benefits today. Struggling to keep your blood sugar in check after meals? Bananas might be your secret weapon. Packed with soluble fiber and resistant starch, they help moderate blood sugar levels and keep you feeling full longer. Did you know bananas can support your digestive health too? Their dietary fiber, including resistant starch and pectin, promotes regular bowel movements and supports a healthy gut. Say goodbye to constipation. Want to manage weight without feeling deprived? Bananas are your new best friend. Low in calories but high in nutrition, they fill you up and help control your appetite. Packed with antioxidants like flavonoids and amines, bananas fight off free radicals. Boost your health and lower your risk of heart disease with every bite. Start enjoying bananas today. Did you know that something as simple as a banana can support your kidney health? It's true. Bananas are loaded with potassium, a key player in maintaining healthy kidney function and managing blood pressure. Imagine slowing down the progression of kidney disease and keeping your blood pressure in check, just by adding more potassium to your diet. It's like giving your kidneys a helping hand every day. Don't wait to start taking care of your kidneys. Grab a banana and boost your potassium intake now. Your kidneys will thank you.